No, well, cricket, is played out there in the middle, like I always said. We have good relationship with with if not all the teams we play against. We always try to play the game in the true spirit that it should be played in. And if you notice, last year in our Caribbean Premier League, we had a lot of guys from Pakistan. We have a good friendship with them. So we just hope that at the end of the day, it's another cracker of a game. But West Indies come out victorious. They got some quality spinners, which we are aware about, but they're not unplayable. In this format of the game, you respect your opposition, and but at the end of the day, we've shown that on any given day, the best bowler could go for many runs, like in that finals against Sri Lanka. So we have our plans, and we just have to go out and execute it, and we believe we could go out and do that.